Trending on Procyon Radio and Television. I am Sarah Agbon, MKO, music comedian.
Thank you for having me today.
All right. Thank you for joining us. Okonjo-Iweala refutes involvement in Biafra loan facilitation claims. The Director General of the World Trade Organization, Dr. Okonjo-Iweala, has strongly refuted claims of her involvement in facilitating a $57.5 billion loan for the Biafra Republic government in exile. A post by separatist leader Simon Ekpa, shared on October 23, 2024, alleged that the World Bank and International Monetary Fund had agreed to grant the loan, citing Okonjo-Iweala's assistance in the process. Ekpa claimed the funds were meant to support the formation of a new government following proposed declaration of Biafra independence on December 2nd, 2024. MKO Oranda.
No, sir. Ngozi Okonjo-Iweala can never be part of separatists in Nigeria. Okonjo-Iweala is not from the Biafran state, as they claim. It's not from the east. He's a South woman. He's a princess. For Samuel Ekpa to be now claiming, because he know how famous this one, he know the integrity of Dr. Okonjo-Iweala in Nigeria. He know personality of this woman. That's why he just want to make it real. Like say the thing na true. That is why he's mentioning her name. Who is Samuel Ekpa? Who is Biafra to national community? I'm talking to Western community. The international community, they didn't know who is Biafra or whatever. What they know is Nigerian. For a separatist, Sam Ekpa, a Biafra leader that is saying that they want to secure loan from one bank. All of us no go fit be money for Nigeria now. As a president of a country, or as a who? The Biafra is not recognized by the UN. Why can you say you want to go now and secure loan? World Bank don't give loan to individual. They give loan to country, and the Biafra have never become country before. Igbo and the others, they tendered the agitation paper to the House of Lords in London, that they want to come out from Nigeria. Yoruba nation want to come out from Nigeria. Maybe that is what Samuel Ekpa saw, that they Kuma the ground form, because this news, they just inculcate this news to me. They just make it real, that by mentioning this woman's name to make it real, and people will now think that hey, Okonjo-Iweala is supporting them because of that name, Okonjo-Iweala. They thought maybe the woman is from the east, is from the Biafra. It's a South woman, and the woman, he don't pass this year, one on the year. Now international woman, he know wetin dey happen. He know be mumu like most of us. So by dragging her name, me and you when they watch me, you know say na lie, na typical lie. If you are doing your agitation, there's nothing bad in the agitation, you understand, because when the country is not well, not the country we want is this. So some grievances can be coming. The Yoruba nation will say they are going, and the Eastern can say they are going, even the Northern can say they are going. But when we come together and resolve our problem, all these things no go happen again. We want peace in Nigeria.
Thank you, MKO. Thank you for coming to Trending.
Thank you for having me, and thank you for listening to my music.
Thank you for watching us. Please do subscribe, like, share, and also drop your comments on our unified YouTube channel, Procyon RTV. Trending on Procyon Radio and Television. I am Sarah Agbon. Keep shining like the star you are.